Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In last video we have seen how to install WordPress in a cPanel hosting and how to install WooCommerce and convert that to online shop. Okay, in today's video I will show you how you can add a new theme for your store. In order to do that, you have to log into your WordPress admin panel, and after that you can go to appearance and go to themes and just click on add new theme. Here you can see a lot of free themes which are available from WordPress. Okay, you can either, if you are a startup or something, if you want to try it out, you can use any of the free themes from this one, or you can buy themes from different sources, or you can hire a web development company for creating professional WordPress shop for you. Now I'm just going to show you using a free theme. Okay, here I'm going to browse. I can see a lot of free themes here, so just type shop and you can see a lot of free themes. Okay, so make sure that you can see a lot of beautiful themes here, but all of them are having free as well as premium versions. Okay, so if you even install these themes, you won't be able to get all the features which are shown in this theme. Okay, so for example, if you click on this one, you can get some features from this theme, but not all the features. Most of them are having two versions. One will be having the free as well as the premium. Okay, so I'll just show the free version. So just click on this one, just click on install. Okay, I'm going to install this theme. So once it's installed, just click on activate. So now you can see that this theme is activated in your store. So in order to see the theme, you can just go to your user side and refresh the page. You'll be able to see the new design. So this is the new design. Okay, so you can see all the menus what we have created in the old one, and it will be showing the new design also. Okay, so if you go to the cart page, you can see the cart page, and if you click on the product, you can see the product page, how it looks and all. Okay, now what you can do is you can click on customize. There is a button called customize here. Just click on this customize and you can see a lot of options here. Okay, these all are the options which are available within the free theme. If you wish to upgrade, you can just click on this one and you will be able to get all these options which are available only in the premium version. Okay, so here what you can do is you can just click on this one and you can just customize the header, what you want, how the header to look. So for example, if you want to hide the card, this is the card button, you can just click on this one, so this will get hidden. Okay, so same like this you can do that. And if you want to add a text or the email address, for example, if I'm going to add my email address here, and I'm going to add my phone number here. Okay, so this is added here, and like we about 100. Okay, so I can even add this one here. Okay, and these features depend on each theme. Okay, so if you are selecting another theme, the option will be different. Okay, so once you are done, you can just click on publish and go to the user side, and you will be able to see the changes here. Okay, and after that you can go to the sidebar. Okay, if you want to show the slider, okay, this is a slider, you can also enable them. Just click on so the slider will be shown, and you can just customize the slider things here. So in my case, I'm not going to do that. And the product setting, so if I want to show the product setting, I can just click on and I'll be able to add the product settings here. Okay, in the footer also is the same. So this is the footer, so here I can just like add my copyright text here. Okay, so copyright 2024. Okay, I'm just added like this, and just click on publish. Okay, and after that you can also change your font from the typography, you can click on the post layout and all those details. Okay, so in our case we are going to create an e-commerce website using WordPress. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to this WooCommerce settings page where we can customize our pages. Okay, so the show shop page sidebar. Okay, so if you're going to the product page, okay, this is the product page. Here I can see this sidebar, right? So in this design I have just enabled the sidebar, so I don't want this one. Okay, so I'm just going to hide this sidebar, and also here also I'm going to disable this one, and I can just like add whether I need to display, how many products I need to display, and the related products, if I need to show the related products, and all those things can be added here. So just click on publish and go to the user side and refresh the page, so you'll be able to see the details here, because as we don't have more products, that's why we cannot see any related products here, but the sidebar is gone, and this is a standalone page for your products. And just click on the category page where you can see the single product which what we have added. If you are going to add more products, you'll be able to see that here also. So by default, WordPress will show with the post page here in your website home page. So for example, if you are going to the home page, you will be able to see only the post pages, okay, which comes from the post here. So if you are having more posts, you will be able to see the posts here in this home page. So in our case, what we need to show is we need to show our products here, okay, because as we are having e-commerce website, we need to show the products here, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a home page for that. So for that, we have to go to pages, okay, and you can click on add new page and just add the title for the page like home page show, and I'm going to design this page, okay. Just click on add block and I'm going to click on column, and I can just click on one column and just click on add block again. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, for example, I need to show all my products here. So just click on all products, and if I just select this all products, I'll be able to see all my products here, okay. So first I'm going to show all products here, okay. So just click on publish and just click on view page. So this is how my page which I created looks, okay. This is the page. So in order to make it more beautiful, I'm going to add more products, okay. Now I have added like a few dummy products, which some with discount as some with the normal price also, okay. Now after adding, if I go to my website or the page what we have created, now I'll be able to see all the products in the website, okay. And if I go to the page and refresh, I can see these products here, okay. So these are the products which I've added, okay. So this is our home page. Now I have created a home page which shows all the products, okay. So now what we need to do is we need to make this as the home page. So if you go to the home page, we can still see the home page as the post. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to the backend and just go to appearance and click on customize. In customize, you can find the option called homepage settings. This is almost same for all of the themes, okay. Just click on homepage settings and you can click on a static page, okay, and you can select the page what you have created. This is the page what you have created. It's called the homepage shop. Just select this one and just click on publish. Now if you refresh the home page on the user side, we will be able to see all the products in the home page, okay. So this is how the home page is designed, okay. So we have added 4 products and this is the product. So it also shows the filter. So if I click on the low to high, I can see the low to high, and if I just click on the latest, I can see the latest products and all, okay. And from here also you can click on the product and you will be able to go to the product detail page, and here now as we are having more products, it will show the related products. You can click on the add to cart and you'll be able to click on the view cart and you can see all the products within the cart and go to the checkout, okay. And now we are having the home page with the products, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll also show you how you can add one more section in the home page. Now I'll just show you how to add a latest product, okay. Just add a title heading for latest product, and after that just click on a new blog and we'll just search for product and you can go and find the new products, okay. Just click on new products, and because as all our products are new, it will be shown here, okay. So if you want to like convert this one to best selling products, it will show like best selling products, on sale products. So just click on sale product, and because actually we are having a lot of new products, that's why sale product, just make it a sale product and just click on update. Go back to your store, refresh, and we will be able to see the old products, after that the sale product, okay. So now we have added the old products as well as sale product, and you, like that you can add many more things. If you want to center this one, you can also center the text, okay, like this, and just click on update. Let's refresh the page and we'll be able to see all these details, okay. So this is how we can customize our home page. In next video I will show you how you can edit the menu. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any comments or suggestion, please let me know. Thank you.